Yo, men will discuss woman size vagina or vagina size. They are the most insecure about their eggplant. Talk to a ninja.
We don't support that.
No, we don't.
You understand? All I'm going to do is fuck the girl, let me see under the ear, sir. From the way you talk the girl, the right. Now she's not a poo-poo to feel up. You know it? My name is Mr. Fucky. Girl, them so well. This a cocky make pussy ring like church bell.
Hold on. Did ninja just say this make like church bell? Wait.
This a fucky, girl, them so well. What's that from Tiger? Yes, me cocky look like CD. Sweet girl, pussy like rape.
Sweet girl like Rick. Come on, ninja.
See a pussy like a earthquake. When I come from girl, them can't teach them how to wear. Tuck it in the pussy like a bread man is here. That's how you say it. The end is pussy. Ready? Oh no! What is it?
And ninja say if it's something too big, he will rim it. Yo, let me tell you say yo. Ninja na easy no man. The man said the eggplant in the vajiji like a bread man a bake. So I guess the vajiji are the oven and the eggplant are bread. A bake egg. A whole night heat, you know. Ninja I best. Yo. Watch Ninja performances, you sure feel laugh. If you're having a bad day, just type in Ninja Man on YouTube and your day change.